Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix iPad overheating when using Notes and Apple Pencil, causes and what to do. Fix 1. Close unused apps. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. Now view all open apps and swipe up on apps you are not using to close them. Then reopen Notes and check if the iPad stays cooler. Fix 2. Lower screen brightness. Open Control Center and drag the brightness slider down to a comfortable level. Then continue using Notes and monitor the temperature. Fix 3. Stop charging while taking notes. Disconnect the charging cable and use the iPad on battery power for a while. Check whether the overheating issue decreases. Fix 4. Remove the iPad case temporarily. Remove the iPad from its case and place it on a flat, hard surface. Use Notes for a few minutes and see if cooling improves. Fix 5. Check Apple Pencil battery and connection. Open Settings. From there, go to Bluetooth. Now tap the information icon next to your Apple Pencil and choose Forget this device. Now pair the Apple Pencil again and test writing in Notes. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.